Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to perform simple descriptive statistics using GeoGebra because Excel is not very good at it. So the simplest way I found you can do is you can Google GeoGebra Classic, and then the first thing that pops up will allow you to do an online non-downloadable version, and over here it pops up with this where you can pick spreadsheet. So that allows you to type in your data, and you don't need the graph, so you can press this button here and press the three dots and press close. So we don't need that. And then in the spreadsheet, you can type in your data, or I've copied in. So this is just dummy data. I just typed in some numbers, and I could have one set of data that I want to analyze, or I could have two sets of data. If I have one set of data, then I can mark it, I can press this button, and I can choose the one variable analysis, and then this pops up. And here I could pick a box plot, and then it performs a box plot over that data. And if I press this button here, I get the statistics that you know from your calculator. So I get the how many data points, you get the mean, you get the standard deviation, you get the 5-number summary, and some numbers we don't need. So that's fairly simple. Now, the problem with this is that for this axis down here, I can't type in a label. So what I could do, and what you should do if you need this, is you should press this button here. So this becomes sort of a little bit more compact, and then you could do a screenshot. Could be something like this, for instance. And when you have that screenshot, you could put it into some program or in Word or something, and then you can just add manually a label to this axis, because you should label your axis when you do IAs. Now, if you didn't have one data set, but you have two data sets, then you type in each data set in each of their columns, and you mark all of the data, both columns at the same time. You press this button, but now you pick multiple variable analysis. And now it actually, on its own, do this stacked box plot. So it does both of them in the same diagram, and have the same problem with what's it called, the axis not being able to be labeled, but you can do that manually. And again, if you press this button, you actually get the statistics for your first column data and your second column data. And if stuff like this is in the way, you have this little full screen button here, so you can actually, that didn't help, okay. Well, you have this, and again, I don't really want this, so I could sort of manually take a screenshot and then delete this and add a label for what it is. Could be boys or girls or whatever. So that's it, have fun.